Hello guys, welcome to the video, and in this video I'm gonna show you a website that will pay you $19.20 with flexible hours, so you can work part-time or full-time every week. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches you exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So smash that subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell, because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you more information. So let's get into this video. So guys, the website we're gonna talk about is called liveops.com. So you can simply go by liveops.com. So there are a lot of stuff on this page, so I'll show you where to go and where to go find out what you're looking for. But they have all kinds of jobs that you can get, and they are just regular jobs, but they also have the things that you can do, like customer support type stuff, customer rep, and where you get the freedom to work pretty much as you want and be able to kind of make your own schedule as long as you work about 15 to 20 hours per week. So what you want to do to find a job is go to the top right here where it says become an agent. So you click here and then you will be redirected to this page. So it's a join liveops.com section of the site, and it talk about your earning potential by week and how much money you can make for different things that they have, and this is usually like sales and call center type stuff. Customer support and those type of job are usually what you find here, and you are going to need to do 3 things to get started with them. So they have requirements, so check out the requirements. So just click here and here's the requirement section. So you basically need a few things, these things here: quite a place to work online, a corded telephone, a corded headset with compatible with this telephone, a dedicated landline with telephone service, a computer with a wired connection to the internet, and they'll go more about into details about each thing, like phone and headset requirements, the phone service, those type of thing, computer requirements, and all that stuff. So they cover so far as like USB headsets, which is one of the main things you need. So you can get those pretty cheap just by buying at amazon.com. So you can get it from Amazon like 20 bucks, so buy from there. And then they talk about telephone services, you can use that, don't mind. And then computer requirements, so if you have basic computer, you should be able to meet these demands. But as far as the actual job itself, you are going to have to look at the background here. You can also explore the opportunities here by clicking on opportunity here. So here's all the opportunity. So they have different types of jobs available here, and they actually have a lot of different jobs. They have inbound sales, roadside assistance, technical support, insurance claims, insurance sales, customer service, food order taking, health care, payroll support, and all type of stuff. Jobs are listed here. All right. So as far as the variety, they have a lot of job we work with, and the specific job, guys, that I am talking about is this is called virtual call center sales representative job, insurance customer service representative. So how much this job pays? So basically this opportunity pays for time spending talking on the phone, and they are giving like 0.25 cents per minute, equivalent to $15 per hour. So minimum of 15 hours per week is $137, and they have an available job of minimum of 15 hours per week. And what they're looking for, so you have a minimum of 3 years of customer service experience and strong desire to find the answer to customers question, and must be comfortable access and retrieving information from the client system. And you also must be comfortable with billing reviews, calculating payments and processing electronic fund transfer, and must be comfortable for setting up and operating a computer. So that's they all need. And this was a specific job that I am talking about here. So is this is available right now, so you can go and apply for this just by clicking apply online if you are interested in this. So guys, here it is, this website I'm called talk about, and I also leave a link in the description of this video, so you can go directly by livops.com from there. And guys, if you want to learn the easy way that I am doing to earn money online, so simply just click the first link in the description of this video, and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. And guys, that's it for today's video, and if you have find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.